Are you still using the spreadsheet to track your project in Azure DevOps? If so, you are missing one of the features of delivery plans. Today I'll show you how to ditch the manual tracking and supercharge your workflow. So let's make a delivery plan. So we'll go in the Tailwind Trader project this time, because we required sprint-wise data. So that and delivery plan, guys, generally sometimes what we have the number of the project. One project is dependent on another project, or it could be the library package, it could be anything. So project we have aligned, and that one project is actually developed first, another project is didn't develop. So we have dependency, right? Means because the package or the library should be developed first, then it should be used into the child project. Means we have dependency. Now in the delivery plan, we can actually resolve that thing also. Okay. So here we can see this is the Microsoft document, and here we can see delivery plan will become like this is Azure board feature roadmap, and in the delivery plan that is, guys, we called is the marker. Okay, and of the Q3 we can see the dev, productions, and different environment wise we can put a marker over here also. Okay, and like this is sprint wise we have, right? These are the things we can make it. So let's make it, and we will see the continuous document also. So we'll go into the board. Here we have delivery plan, and I will create a new delivery plan, and this plan I will make it actually suppose QA. Okay, this is the project. We have the two projects here. We can choose it also different project name, and this is a team. What the team you wanted to choose, you can choose. Here we have the backlog, either feature or the story. Generally we have this is the higher level, so we can choose it any one of them. Suppose I'm choosing the feature over here. We can add the team also. Suppose I wanted to make a delivery plan. As I told you, dependencies means front-end dependency we have the backend team, or might be on the QA. So we can actually add the dependency also. Even we have the criteria also. Means we wanted to work item as a limit on the filter wise, then also we can put it. It means like we can see iteration wise. We wanted to check the status wise. So these things we can add it also. Okay, so that we can filter so much work item what become, and we can filter it also. And once we create the click, this window will be appearing. Okay, this is default. So this is the today. So whatever this iteration is on the 16th, and today is the 25th of Feb. Okay, and the March we does not created any iteration because this was the dummy project, but still we can go back and we can check it also. And this is actually if you wanted to collapse, or we have so many iterations, then we can use it over here also. Or we can add the team also. So if you wanted to add anything over here, then we can go back in the setting. We can change the name also. We can add the team also. Suppose I wanted to add one more team over here, this one, and this is actually have epic feature. And suppose here also we use the feature only. Save it. Now we can see we have the multiple teams, right? And now we can see this is red color also. That is good part. Now I'll show the marker one. Let's see the marker how we'll get. We have the team. You guys can see this team actually we already done. Field criteria, we can add the field criteria means filter it. Okay, that we can do it also. This is marker. So here I wanted to add one marker. Suppose 1st of Jan, and the marker is enter the marker label. So we'll say the dev. This was the dev environment. This was at the time our project is in dev, and here we can choose the color. Let's make the pink only, or we can write down the yellow, because earlier stage we have yellow and later on it will become orange or green, whatever it is. And on the 1st of the Feb, our project came into QA, and then it become the orange one. Okay, let's save it. Okay, now you can see this is the dev and this is the QA. So till here, whatever the iteration was, means we done it, but till here we was on the dev, and now we are the QA. So we can actually divide our iterations. We can make all the delivery plan over here, means December to the January, February. We can check it out all the previous also, and we can see all our plan, and we can write down the marker also. Okay, this is we can like a way we can actually collapse and expand. This is also show all dependency. We can see all the dependencies. You can see this is at the dependency, right? And we can click it again. You can see the dependency. Here collapse the card field. If you wanted to don't want to see this one, if we have the very bulky dashboard kind of stuff, then we can actually expand and collapse also. Here also zoom out, zoom in, we can use it. Okay, to see the proper dashboard, because we can take screenshot, even we can send to somebody else also. That's why we can use it. So it's like a plan, so we can discuss to the team or the client or the business. We can discuss it also. Or even we have the zoom, you can see full screen option also. Here we can see full screen option, right? So all these things we have. Okay, so this much we've done. Now we'll see the document again, and here we know how we need to go to delivery plan. And here they are explaining everything, right? Configure the plan, we have the expand and collapse, everything, even with the site also. Okay. And guys, one more thing, we have so many this icon, and even we can add few more icon also over here. Then we can go into setting. These are the field. So whatever the field we wanted to show it, like show parent, show ID, all these things we can add. And once we save it, these things will be start appearing it also. Okay. So this is the just for designing this delivery plan only, how we can design it. And here we can see we can add the marker. Marker means you can see publish, and this is the today end of the Q2. We will actually there we need to add it, and we can write down the more marker also according to our release wise, according to like QA DAO. If you wanted to give some productions and post production hot fixes, this we can make it also delivery, or we can task wise also we can make it like feature wise. We can make it also marker over here. Okay. Another thing is title. We can actually collapse it, that we already cite, and view roll up for the feature and epic. Okay. We can actually drag it. We can actually move this item. Suppose I wanted to move into this release, I can just drag and drop it also. Okay. So this one actually came it over here. So these things also we can do into delivery plan. And once I change it, okay, you guys can see, once I change it, it will change it also iterations. Earlier it was iteration 1, and now it's actually iteration 3. So that is also possible from here itself. Okay. So these are the things they explain it. Okay. Now, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Here we have this is very good feature of the linking, means showing the dependencies. In the dependency, guys, we can see this should be first need to be complete, then it will goes to there. Okay. Means these tasks are the dependency. How the dependency means? Here in the iteration, remember we done the linking, right? At the time of linking, we was doing it actually successor, or the basically it is depend upon parent and child also. So this is the linking. Here we can see it also, or once we click, this is the linking I was talking about, right? So who is the parent, who is the predecessor, all these things exactly we can see it also. If this is actually successful, goes to well, that means it will show as a green icon. Okay. I'll show you also over here, and here we can see these are the green icons. We can see linking. Okay. These are the linking, means this task is depend upon this task, and it's showing green, means this task is done, committed, and this task is actually will start after actually finishing of this one. So that is actually dependent on each other, right? It could be this one to depend upon this one, according to actually we have it also. Okay. So like you can see cancel order form first done, then GSP locator interface should be started. Right. So these are the dependencies we have, and these dependency, as we can see, click on it, we can see this diagram also, and these are the dependency on multiple item dependencies. Okay. So these things we can add it. Other than this, we can add the style also. Style meaning is, suppose I wanted to style, add on the DAO, and the color I will choose the green one, and here also if we have something we can choose it, or otherwise we will save it. So guys, over here we need to write down criteria according to status wise, according to item wise. We can write down also like state, I chosen it. Here we have active state, all the active one we will get it. So these item will become as a green, whichever the active one, right? So this kind of styling we can apply it. Another thing is tag. If we have already tag in this actually tickets, and we wanted to be add the style of the tag also, so we can go there. We can search the tag. Right now it does not have any tag. We can find out the color. We can choose the tag, and we can write down also. But right now it does not have any tag, so that's why it's showing it up here as a blank. But we can add the tag also if we have something. Okay, the tag will be shown into these card only, and we can, according to that, we can find out the item quickly also. Okay. So this is all about the delivery plan. So we can make the delivery plan. We can show the delivery plan. It is dashboard by which we can understand which iteration is going to there. We can add the marker, we can styling it also, and we can check dependencies also. This is very important. Okay. Sometimes dependency won't appear it. We need to reload it, or we need to refresh it also. Okay. So I think I covered everything over here. So that's it in this video, guys. See you in the next video. And there we will learn about the dashboard and Wikipedia. Okay. So see you in the next video. Till the time, happy coding.